Well, I would start with property tax. I believe that commercial buildings and properties shouldn't be taxed at a higher rate than residential. I know that everyone's going to say, well, residential is going up. Well, I know for a fact that, yeah, residential might go up in the overall, but then I believe that our state and the county assessors, there are some things that need to be done. And I'm going to take Pinal County because I'm familiar with that. I represented that area. But there are parcels of land that are up along the mines up in Marensai and Kearney and in those areas that pay a substantially lower rate than what downtown Casa Grande or even Apache Junction would pay. There are areas of Santan which are still being taxed at a lower rate. The mall down in Casa Grande, right off of 215, is still, part of it is still taxed as if it's agricultural property rather than commercial, which it is. Now, what we need to do is find a way to put some teeth where it need be and remove some of that, though, restrictive policy of where it is more. I own a home. I'm a real estate broker in 2 states in one of my corporations, Arizona and up in Utah, and I own some commercial property on the trail. I have 1 acre, 2 parcels of land that I pay between the two about $6,000 a year in taxes on them every year. And I have a home, and I'm trailer trash. I live in a mobile home in Apache Junction area, just north of AJ, up on a mountain. And I have 4 acres. And I pay $4,000 a year taxes for that land with my mobile home on it. It's a double wide. And when I say that jokingly because I want you all to understand, when I say trailer trash, I don't mean it derogatorily. I live on the side of the mountain in the gold fields, and I look out over the whole valley. And I've got 4 acres, and it's a beautiful piece of property and that. But I pay $4,000 a year for that. But I have a 10,000 square foot property and like a 14,000 square foot building on these 2 parcels of land, and I'm paying as much as I am on that. So I would love to see the real estate taxes brought more in line. Sales tax. It's one of the things that I see, and I believe if it wasn't you, then it was a chamber, one of the others that had asked, what did I think of the internet sales tax? And I think they call it Free Market Act or some darn thing. And I oppose taxing on the internet. Well, why give the government the ability to tax more? Why don't we get the government to live within its spending capabilities rather than its grabbing capabilities of the money from people?